All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter. Yoruba nation are going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. My brother, my sister, majority of people have reacted onto the reason why the president, who is a Yoruba man, will still support Buhari to send Chief Sunday Igboho out of the country. I talked about why Chief Sunday Igboho must be returned back to the country not long ago, and then I got a lot of reactions. People actually said a lot of things, and then when I looked into those comments, I was like, wow, this is exactly what we are talking about. And then somebody raised a very strong comment. His name is Gabriel Edo. Wherever he is, I'm very sure he will be listening to this. Gabriel Edo, he made mention of something. He said Tinubu should know why Igboho was pushed out of Nigeria by now. That Buhari and his Fulani people want to be the owners of Nigeria. Igboho is the only obstacle in their way, and then if they can conquer him, they will succeed in having Nigeria as theirs for life. Buhari was said to have had it already discussed with all the cabals before he left the office. We all will recall that he single-handedly attempted to carry out the plot, and then the plot was intended to get rid of Chief Sunday Igboho. So with Tinubu in the picture, one would have thought that the plot would take a different dimension. According to him, he says, and I quote, "I for one thought that he would have diplomatically found out and then dismissed the notion as being inhuman. Well, and by now I would have expected him to grant Igboho a re-entry without challenge. I am tending to believe that his own hands are not clean in this matter." Now, does he want the Yoruba to be conquered by joining the cabals to keep Igboho at a distance? We the Yorubas want to know which way he is leading us. He is leaning. My brother, my sister, Gabriel Edo, you said it all. You said it all. Now, where is the position of the president, who is a Yoruba man? Is he supporting the Fulani people right now, or is supporting the Yorubas, or he does not care? And then with everything we have seen so far, it's like he doesn't care. And then it's so disheartening, it's so frustrating that a Yoruba man will stand out to go against his own person, his own people. We are not concluding that right now, but the handwriting is clearly written on the wall. When Buhari was there as the president, my brother, my sister, in any single mistake you want to talk against his person, his people, he will tell you no, they are not like that. Okay, let us take for instance when Buhari was there, when the so-called Boko Haram bandits, the rest of them were caught so many times. What will Buhari say? What had he been saying? He will say, let them be. I know you have arrested them, but they will repent, they will change. In fact, there is this English they use, repentant Boko Haram. The next thing, he got them rehabilitated back into the Nigerian army. My brother, my sister, who is deceiving who? If a Fulani man can stand by his own people, even with the atrocities they have committed, if a Fulani man can say, no, my brother, I will not allow my brother to perish, then why can't a Yoruba man stand firmly by his own brother? Chief Sunday Igboho is a Yoruba man. The president is a Yoruba man. Then what is going on? Why is the president supporting this move by distancing Chief Sunday Igboho from the country, knowing fully well that if Chief Sunday Igboho gets back to this country, a lot of things will be taken care of, most especially insecurity will be taken care of. Not because he is a Nigerian soldier, not because he's a first man, but because God has put him there to save his people. And all these people, they know this. The last time that Chief Sunday Igboho sent out the Seriki Fulani of Igboho, what did he say? He said each time he hears upon how powerful that man was, each time he hears the name, or he heard the name Sunday Igboho, that he will be shaking, he will be trembling, that name is a strong name. My brother, my sister, don't get it twisted. Chief Sunday Igboho is not just your normal Chief Sunday Igboho. He is divinely sent from above to stand out for the Yoruba people. No wonder the Buhari government, the cabals, the northern elders had that strong meeting with the president that send this guy out of this country. You see? And right now, if you take a very good look at the way the whole thing is going, you understand that this government came to multiply the pains of the people. We have a lot of problem at hand, but the government is not ready to do anything to help out. People can no longer go to their farms. People can no longer ride their cars simply because the fuel is expensive. People can no longer go to their farms simply because Fulanis are everywhere, doing all sorts of things to the people, buying our people on a daily basis. People are hungry. This is not democracy anymore. This is demon crazy. This is money crazy. The advice for the president had been that let us give good governance to the people, show mercy to receive mercy. Yes, and a lot of people have made it clear, if regional government will be what will help us in this country, let us go for it. Everybody is crying. A majority of people are lamenting on a daily basis. Now, nobody is saying anything, most especially the government had been looking away, and a lot of masses are perishing. My brother, my sister, Chief Sunday Igboho needs to come back. He must come back to this country. We all need to come together in one accord. Yoruba nation is the only solution. Since this set of people do not want us to have the kind of life we need to have, we need to come together, work it together. Let us speak together as one voice. Yoruba nation is the only solution. All right, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is. Onto this one, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.